Here, see, next game, it is a one game. To play this game, everyone stand in the circle. Everyone is standing in the circle. One player is called out. One, the next player says two, and so on. So here one, two, like that you have to go on. A player who has calling out of three or the number which is can be divided by three say meow instead of that number. So see here there is a game 1 2 3 4. So when the terms 3 should when come you should say meow. That is that the game. Instead of that number, one who forgot the saying meow, they out of the game. Instead of saying like that number, if it is 3, you should say meow. If it is next number after 3, what next see here 3 6 9. So in 3 ones are tables, which is the next number 3 will be having a 6, right? That 6 number it comes means they should say meow. In case they saying that number means they are out. And who forgets the saying meow in out of the game, the last player is left over, there will be a winner. Which number did you replace with the meow? So that number you should say, write it down, so on. So 3 6, like 3 ones are till so on. So 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 27 30 33 36 37 13 39 42 45, so on. These numbers are represented as an meow. What is that number? These numbers are represented as an, see here, these numbers are represented as an meow. What is this? Is a multiples of 3. This is a multiples of 3. Last that what we did it, that is a common factor. Now we are writing the multiples of 3. That is a multiples of 3. 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 27 30 33 36 39 42 45, and so on. These are represented as a multiple of 3. We say these number are multiples of 3. Playing the games by changing the number to 4. If you change the number to 4, which number did you replace with meow? That is the 4. Next 8. Next 12. Next 16. Next 20. Next 24. So on it start to replacing that with meow. And these are numbers which is a multiple, like I'm written 4 8 12 16 20 24 28 32 40, so on. It is represented as a meow. This is what we telling the multiples of the next of the number 4 of the next numbers. Here write any 10 multiples of 5. Write any 10 multiples of 5. You have to write the multiples of 5. 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50, so on. It is a multiples of 5. So what you are learning means what is the next multiple of that number. For example, 3 means you have to write 3 ones of 3 6 9, what you are written 3 6 9 12, like that. 4 ones are means 4 8 12 16 20, so on. And 5 ones are means 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40, so on. These are the numbers we represent. These are next multiples of that numbers. That is a next multiples of that numbers will represent as an in this game. Last game we are started with the common factor. In this game we will be representing all the multiples of the next number. Now we'll start with a new one. That is the next one, the dice game. So in this dice game we have a multiples of 6 4 5 7. Okay student, here what we have to do, in the dice we have a 2 dice here. What it is, what are the numbers will come in the dice, the 2 no for 6 ones are. For example, we have here 2 dice. First here 1, next will be 2. Okay, 1 12. 12 will be the will be present in the 6 ones. Next, if you roll it, if you get at the dice 2, if you get 2 and 4, it will be included in the 6 ones are. For example, 1 and 8. 8 will not in 1 will be represent, but 8 is not in the die. So that will not come in the die. Similarly, next will be 36, 42. And next, here in the 4 ones are 12, 16, 24, 32. 15, 25, 35, 45. So 14, 21, 35, 42. These are the numbers will be representing in the dice. These are the numbers we are representing in the dice. Okay, students, here the dice, which number it represent. The die, which number that represent, that number is referred as an what, that is a multiples of the 6 ones in the dice is thrown. Okay, it is on the present in the 6 ones. In 6 ones, see clearly I'm telling that student here 1 will be represented in one die, means other die may be 2, not 6, 7 like that. Big in dice only you will be appear only 6 till appear till 6. So one die will be 1, next die will be 2. Similarly, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 2. 1 4, this is only for the 6. Next we'll take the table. 4 ones are 1, 2, 1, 6, 2, 4, 3, 2. So these are the dice will be appear in the 4. 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5. It is also represented in the 5 ones. Next 7, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, 2. These are the numbers we are representing the 7 ones. So this is the dice will be represent in the minimum one die will be 6. 6, 6 will be appeared also. Your this side also 6, this side also 6. Okay. You're representing 5, 4 also, 6, 6 also. Okay. These are the tables will appear in the 6 ones. We can write the numbers. I'm given only a few examples and you can think and write it over. Okay. Next we go to the common multiples. So till now students we have studied the common factors, factor, multiples and individuals multiples. Let we find out the some numbers are coincident to each other, so they are both are same. For example, I'm giving here for you student. Here I'll be taking a 3 ones and 5 ones. Okay, think of a number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in the red, and if it is in the multiple of 5, write it in the blue. So I thought of a number 6 and 36, so I'm written in the red, and 5 and 10 and 40 I'm written in the blue. For both there is one common, so 15. I thought of 15. The 15 will go in the 5 ones also and 3 ones also, student. Yeah, these are both are equal. In 3 ones also it will go, in 5 ones also it goes. And 30 represent is 30. This 30 will divisible by 3 ones as well as in 5 ones. So these both are common together, that is 15 and 30 are common together. They are both are common together. So this is called as an common multiples of both 3 and 5. These are the common multiples of 3 and 5. This is represent the common multiples of the 3 and 5. In this, which is the smallest one? 15 will be the smallest one. Similarly, you have to take for the 2 ones and 7 ones. In 2 ones and 7 ones, which is a common? In 2, I'll be representing 14 because 7 2s are 14, and 28. This will be divisible by 2 also and 7 also. So I'm written only few. Which are the common? The multiples means which will move, which will multiply with the 2 and which is multiplied by 7. This will be represented as a common multiples. We'll be writing the next multiple of 4, 6 and 5 in the each circle. What you similarly what we took a same thing only but in the different way. Okay, This 4 6 5 I'm written here, and I'm got a multiple of 4 8 32 28, and here 6 I wrote 6 ones are tables and 5 ones are here 5 ones are table. But here I'm written in the which is a common to this both and this both. See a 4 8 here 12 12 20 24 28 32 36 I'm not written here. I can write here 36. It will multiply with 4 ones and 6 ones. Here I am written 36. Here I should write here 36. Here also this will be multiplied by 4 and 6 also. I am written only few. And here in 5 ones 5 and 4 20 and 40. In 6 ones 60 and 30. For all together the common is 60. This is the multiples of the multiplying with the 4 6 5 5 numbers with the together. So what is a common multiple of 5 and 6? It is 30 and 60. And what is a common multiplier of 4 and 60? It is 12 and 24, and we can write as 36 also. Next, which colored part is together all are common means 60. This is a common multiples of the number 4 5 6. This is called as a common multiples of the 4 5 6. This is a common multiples of 4 5 6. Till now we are studying the common multiples of the 4 5 6 or any other numbers. Okay student.